Hi friends, welcome to Fashion Friday. First of all, a lot of apologies for not posting the video last Sunday as promised, but we were having a lot of technical issues. The internet was not working properly, so I wasn't able to edit the video fully and I wasn't able to upload it. But here I am today with the most requested video, that is self blow dry. That's correct. I'll show you in today's video how to blow dry your hair at home. It will definitely look like you have got your blow dry from a salon. As you can see, yeah, this is the final result. So I show you how to do this in this video using only 4 things. Yes, it's that simple. Only 4 things. Any guesses?
So let's get started. If you have long and thick hair like me, make sure they are towel dried. That way it will be easier for you to do the rest of the blow dry and also quicker. Next thing I use is this heat protectant spray from Tresemme. It's called Heat Tamer. Make sure you use it nicely all over your hair and also on the roots, just to make sure that your hair is not overheated by the heating tools. It's time to section your hair. If you have long hair like me, you can divide it into 4 parts. If you have short or medium hair, you can divide it into 2 or 3 sections accordingly. I divide my sections according to my crown area, 2 front section and 1 back section. As you can see, this is my top section, these are 2 front sections and that's 1 back section. Are you all ready to see this magic machine? It's Revlon one-step volumnizer hair dryer. Its oval-shaped brush makes sure you get the gorgeous volume without losing any shine. It has 3 settings on high, low and also the cool setting according to the thickness of your hair. I start my blow dry with front section. I take about 1/4 inch of a section and I brush it, or I blow dry it using this brush away from my face and pulling it towards the downward direction. Now if you observe, while I'm pulling it downwards, I'm also rolling my brush. This makes sure that the hair is completely dry and it also gives you a nice volume. Now because my hair is too thick, I would go ahead and divide this section further into 2 smaller sections because that kind of works better for me, and I keep rolling my brush and pulling my hair in the downward direction. It will give you a nice curl too. Now to get the salon style outward turn, when you pull your brush in the downward directions towards the end, you roll it twice inside, that way you will get a nice curl. I'm continuing doing that on the other side as well. I have taken the same amount of hair and I am rolling it in the downward directions, pulling it away from my face. Now if you want to dry your hair, you have to make sure you start from the roots, versus if you want to have the curl, you have to roll that brush from the top towards the end, as opposed to rolling it from your roots to the end. So as you can see, the front section is almost done, but we still have to work on that back section. Now for the back section, I make sure it's combed nicely because that section of my hair is comparatively more dry. To blow dry it, I am blow drying it under the section of the hair and I'm pulling it downwards, as you can see, and then giving it a nice roll to get that curl. So basically there are 2 concepts. If you want to dry the hair thoroughly, you have to go under the section from your roots and come to the end, and if you want that curl or the turn, you have to go on top of that section and roll it while you are coming at the end. And if you want an in turn, you roll it inwards. If you want an out turn, you roll it outwards. Ta-da! So our front section and back section is done. So yes, there we have 80% of the hair is done. Time for the top section. It's the most difficult one for me. Now I further divide my top section into two sections because I have really thick and long hair, but depending upon your hair length and thickness, you may or may not have to divide it. Now once I divide it, I make sure I comb it nicely because just to make sure there are no tangles, and then I'm repeating the same process.
For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love.
Now this is the interesting part about the front section. When you come to that front piece, you take that front piece and you take it upwards in the upward direction away from your face, and you bring the blow dryer in towards your forehead, and then you leave it down. That's how you'll get that nice curl and bounce. So I'll go ahead and finish the rest of the hair. As you can see, there is still some hair left on the top section. I'll just open that up and finish that, and we are almost done. So here it is, my friends, our blow dry is done and complete, and this is the final look. So if someone who has thick and long hair like me can do it, you can definitely do it. Trust me when I say that. It's super easy and super quick. You just have to remember two things. If you want to dry it nicely, you just have to go under the section from the roots, and if you want that curl, you have to go above on top of that section and give it a nice curl at the end.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do try it at your home, and if you try it, don't forget to share it with me or share it on my page or tag me, and do share your pictures or videos, and I'm pretty sure you will love it, and it's very easy, very quick. If there's anything else which you would like to see in my videos, don't forget to comment or leave it on my wall. I would love to try and do as much as I can and be helpful to you guys. Yeah, thank you so much again, and hope you have a great weekend. Stay safe everyone and enjoy. Bye bye.